Nothing seems right. 'Cause when you're gone, I lose my sight. It's harder at night.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming 'cause I feel the sun.
Hi guys! Nasa Narita entry naman. Pwede nga. Working na siya. Excited na ako kumain guys. Nagugutom na ako. Sinakyan namin yung Skyline na train.
But you're too far to even hear me scream. Don't let go. I'm too scared.
Ito yung hotel namin. Tapos may tabi siyang Family Mart. Hi guys, hotel bound after maligaw-ligaw. And magka-issue sa ticket. Oh my God.
Issue. Nibori station issue. Paano lumabas ng Nibori?
Eh. Ayaw? Hi, finally! Hotel na, oh my God! Okay na pala eh! It's nice. Hotel tour, room tour. Yan. Hi guys. Tingnan natin yung bathroom niya. Oh, typical Japanese bathroom. Then, I like the view. Wow, sino ba dyan, sister? Oh my God. Maganda yung neighborhood namin, guys. Madaming kainan. A1. Saan kami gagala ngayon? Magla-lunch muna kami, guys. Wala pa kaming kain. Nagugutom na kami. Tapos may supermarket malapit sa hotel namin. Ito try namin siya. Madaming nakain. Sa supermarket kami tumitingin ng lunch. Ang daming bento. Mura pa. Supermarket food na super cheap. Hi guys! Mag-supermarket. Ano tayo? Haul. Kung ano pinagbibili namin ni Katrim ng Martinez. Ano to? First, syempre, hindi mawawala ang unigiri. Mare, naka-discount kasi alas 8 na kami kanina bumili. Diba? Pag 7 to 8 p.m. may discount ang supermarket nila.
Mas malapit magsarado, mas
Oo nga eh. Yan.
Gusto mo yung isa dyan, patong-patong na yung...
True. Yan, meron kaming salmon. Ano to? Bonito flakes. Tapos, dumaan din pala ako sa Family Mart ng Family Chicken. Then, meron kaming coffee for tomorrow's breakfast. Hey! Ano tong ginawa mong isa, Zay? Hindi ko alam to. Then, may kinuhang noodles si Katrina Martinez. Pero hindi namin alam kung ano. Malalaman bukas. Kasi breakfast yan. Pang breakfast siya, mga Mars. Ano ba yung bang breakfast mo? Ay, ito pa yung akin naman. Tadam! Para sa breakfast ko bukas, cup noodles. Tapos, ay, kumuha pala ako ng mando din. Ayan, oh. Mando. Hindi siya naka-discount. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung red. Tapos, kumuha din ako ng mayo. Tuna mayo. And, alam ko ano din to. Salmon din to eh. Salmon ulit. Tapos, ito pa pala. Meron pang kay Katrina. May tinatago siya oh. Ano to, Mi?
Parang
Salad?
Oo, salad.
Ayan,
naman.
salad.
Seaweeds and stuff.
Hindi ko alam. And then, sushi.
Tsaka tofu.
Saka tofu. Tapos, duman din kami sa dep store. Parang dep store. Eme. Dahil wala kaming sunblock. Tapos, wipes. Ito na cooling effect, no? Mahal ba to?
400 yan.
Tapos, ito try ko yung Vice Fiesta na micellar cleansing sheet. Titingnan ko kung makakapagtanggal siya ng heroin make na mascara. Pero feel ko hindi. Yan. Yan lang. Bye! Good morning, guys. Outfit of the day. Day 2, pupunta kami ng Disney Sea. Ano na ngayon? 5:42? Ready ka na ba, sister? We're twinning today. From GU. Skirt from GU. Top from GU.
Provided by...
Okay. See you at Disney Sea. Bye. Good morning, guys. On the way na kami papuntang Disney Sea. Yun pala yung hotel namin. Yan. Smile Hotel. Nasa Sugamo kami. Pinidyo kami. Ito yung neighborhood namin. Super rapid lang siya sa station. Like, parang 3 minutes walk. Ganon. Yan. Liliko lang tayo dito. Tapos, matatanong mo na yung station. Charis! Yan. Maganda yung neighborhood, guys. Kasi madami siyang parang kainan. Like this, oh. Yan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Walang katawa-tawa sa station sa may Sugamo. Walang rush hour.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun.
Haggard na kami. Naligaw-ligaw pa kami.
I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing.
Nakapila kami, guys. Sabay na pila. Kasi naligaw kami.
Ahoy, everyone!
Tapos na ako kumain.
To Tokyo.
You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me. for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will. I keep
Uy, ang cute nito. Kaso ang laki. Taas na. Nawi mo?
At least proud ako hindi sa atin yung susi.
Or,
Wag, sino yan?
ang lakas ng amoy ng tutok, guys.
Happy summer.
Ay, na para tayong nasa India. Charot.
Nalilitaran. Ay lang ay.
Red, cute din to eh. What do you think, guys? Ito or ito? Ayan o. Lumaki ka dito. Parang crook yung buhok. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Lalakad na kami pa sa Tango. Yes. Spring Fantasy ba yun? Fantasy Spring. Tapos ayun na yung Vulcan, guys. Ang daming tao. Cute ng headband namin, no? Ito na yung pinakamurang headband, guys. Kaya ito yung binila namin. Lang. Halos lahat. Yeah. Parang 1,700, 2,000 yen. Ay, ang cute ng Vulcano, Mi! Yung cover na mga best mo. Nasa pila kami ng candle. Kalaki. Picture tayo. Finally, naka-order din. Tang-inang yan, ang hirap mag-order, sister. Kailangan credit card online. Pahirapan pala dito lumamon. Magugutom ka muna.
Oo na.
Ang mabikit. Pag-work ka pag hindi ka mabes matunaw. Sarap yung labig niya. Haggard na kami mga best. Ginit na, wala na sister. Haggard na mga person. Sasakay kami ng boat. Pero wala pa siya.
Nothing seems right. 'Cause when you're born, I lose my sight. It's harder at night. The curtain's drawn, can't show my eyes. Do you still think of me? I get a feeling you're lost in a dream. Told me I'm all that you need, but you're too far to even hear me scream. Don't let go. I'm too scared to ever wanna be alone. If 'Cause when you're bored, I lose my sight. It's harder at night. The curtain's drawn, can't shut my eyes. Do you still think of me?